say cheese. Cheese! So cute.
Thanks for taking us whale watching, Aunt May.
Ready to learn all about whales? On this tour, not only will you see whales, you'll get to hear them too. Listen. They can sing. That's how they communicate.
They sound amazing.
I have to get a picture.
What's that loud noise? Oh, the whales are rocking the boat.
Hold on.
I'm worried about the whales.
Go, web spinners, go.
Going in! What's that up ahead?
That baby whale is stuck between those rocks. It's okay, little friend. We're here to help.
Oh! Got it!
There you go.
You're welcome. They must be the baby's pod.
Whoa! That noise is back!
I think it's coming from this direction.
Nice! What kind of whale is that?
Why, hello, spiders! Funny meeting you here. This whale submarine sings its own beautiful whale song.
No! All that noise is bothering the whales!
Nice try, silly spiders. Even windshield web wipers.
It's pulling us in!
Gotcha, pesky spiders.
Oh no! She got Spidey and Spin! She didn't catch this spider! I'm getting Spidey and Spin out of there!
Spin! Ghosty!
Hey! I'm here! Spidey, Spin! I'm following the submarine!
I just don't see any way out of here.
There's a speaker on top of the submarine!
Maybe you can web it up.
What's this? One pesky spider got away?
Talk submarine has a blowhole like a real whale!
She can make noise, so can we.
Is that you, spiders?
It's quiet time,
No!
Whoa!
You won't escape me! Time to join your little spider friends!
I'm okay! Here, grab on! I'll pull you out! Great! I've got you!
Time to turn up the suction!
So much water!
I'm getting sucked in!
What are you doing?
The whales are back! I think they're trying to hatch!
Oh, look what you made me do!
Yes! We're out!
Whoa!
Thank you for helping us!
That was amazing!
Get me out of here! And tell those whales to stop singing!
Kids, where are you? Since all the noise stopped, we can start the tour again. The pod has come back.
Did you enjoy this video? Please hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys.